Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a haul of a cloth and paper order that I just received today. I ordered it earlier this week and it arrived really fast. So let's get started. I had to get one of the clear covers. This one fits a half letter. It's an A5 size, and then you slide your half letter disc bound planner into this. They've had these covers for rings before, and I always wanted one, but never expected one for the disc planners, but I'm so glad they made them because this will protect things. So I took one of my existing planners, which happens to be my YouTube planner, and it's in 3/4 inch discs, and I had it with the crystal clear covers. I did have some trouble sliding it in the back. You've got the elastic, and then you have a pocket in the back that you slide your cover into. It was too snug a fit, so I wound up trimming about 1/8 of an inch off the top, the same thing off the bottom. When you do that, you do need to round the corners or it'll be too sharp. What I use for that task is the Crocodile Corner Chomper, and it's made by We Are Memory Keepers, and I've got a link to it down below. So this is a pretty good tool because you can do 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch, and then you can open it up either part way or all the way, depending on what you're trying to put in there. It's very useful. I did take the clear cover off the front because I didn't feel it was necessary. I do have a piece of acetate there because that's where I had the YouTube, but I may change that out. It was definitely a good purchase, and I love the way there's plenty of room for side tabs and top tabs in this. So of course there was a to keep folder, which had my receipt and a chow and a nice new journal card that I did not have yet. Those who do not move forward move backward. Good point. And speaking of those folders, they just came out with them in a clear plastic folder, and I wanted to get them. They're really nice, and if you buy 3 or more, they're discounted. So, of course, I did. So here you can see where I have one with some of my Lux flags in there, but it's really nicely made. You've got the little CP right there, but not shouting at you. And you can put a label here if you want. I like to use these in the pocket of my planners on the left-hand side. And I might use them for receipts or small notes. I might use them for stickers, which fit in there perfectly, or some Lux flags, whatever you want. And I see possibly using these in other locations. So now that I have some, I'm going to play around with it and figure out whether I need some more. So I decided to get another Eclipse in the white. I love using these over here in my Louis Vuitton planners. I have them in both black and white. I needed one more. You can use these to clip journal cards or stickers or whatever. I like using them as deco, and this is my favorite place to use them. And if you watch my videos, you've seen them in at least 4 of my planners already. So Ashley sneaked that she was revising the meeting notes and that they would be available in the May box. So the current version of the meeting notes is in the last call section this week only. I already have several packages unopened, and I bought 4 more. This is in my top 3 inserts that I use. So how I like to use this insert. You've got 10 priorities up at the top, very faint dots. I like to take the notes area and use a dot marker to go down there to mark it. In your middle section, which is dot grid, of course my favorite, you can take notes, make lists, whatever, and then there's a follow-up area. So obviously this works great for Zoom calls, in-person meetings, phone calls, etc. But I also like to use it for pre-planning, and I thought I would show you an example of that. So this is some pre-planning I did before a Zoom call that I was going to have with my web design coach. And what I do is I'd make all these notes ahead of time. You can see I went down with a dot marker. Some things that weren't working that I needed some help on. And then as we're on the call, I can put some notes next to here for anything I need to refer back to. Some of these things we fixed right while we were on the Zoom call. And you can see I checked some of those off and, you know, where we got to. I'm sure the new version will be wonderful, but I'm in love with this version and I just had to be sure I was stacked up completely. And of course, a new pen. Number 3 for the exam pen. This pen is so soft over here and so comfortable to write with. I love it. It's a fairly inexpensive pen, but it looks very classy to me. It does come in other colors in addition to this. Of course, I'm partial to this color. So that's what I ordered. So what are your thoughts on my order? Do you have any of the same things? If you don't, would you purchase any of these things? Let me know in the comments. I love seeing your comments. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time around.